So what do we have here? I'm seeing, so for A, I'm seeing A right there. Let's see, how did we do? For A, 1 plus k plus e to the 2. Oh, we got 1 plus k plus that. Good. And then it's 0 to k. Oh, look at that. 2e to the 2. Oh, you can't see anything. There we go. There we go. So what do you have here? So I see the proper pieces. I see, I'll use something other than red here. I see the 1, the k, the e to the 2k. 0, kids speaking, you not. Good job. 1 plus 2e to the 2x. Oh, look at this. So far, how many points do we have? 3 points. Yay. Nice. Let's go to the second one here. It says the region R is rotated about the x-axis to form a solid. Find the volume V of the solid in terms of k. So you ended up with pi 1 over 4 e. Let's see, how does that match up? Pi e minus what? Oh, excellent. How close are we? Did you come up with an actual answer to this?
I think I got the same thing.
Oh, it's right, exactly right there, right? I'm not sure why. This is not what I want to do right there. There we go. Thank you for, we're going to resume here. That's nice, and it's not going away. So let's keep that there. So how many points did we get for that one? Looks like we got 4 points for that one. Excellent job. Excellent job. Excellent. Okay, so next, you have to differentiate. You have to differentiate for C. So you found dv dt in terms of dk dt, and then you just plug in, and then you end up when k equals 1/2 dv dt is equal to pi e squared times 1/3. Hey, did you get that too? Look at that, 9 out of 9. That's pretty good. Do it now. Woo! I see all 3 of them, so they do get 3 points right there. Nice. And then it is for B. Just remember, you have to consider, identify, and answer with justification. So you have to make sure you justify it. You can't remember. You need to be real specific. So please remember, they can't infer anything. They can't infer. So this is questionable whether this would be 3 or 2 points, but it's somewhere between 2 and 3 right here, depending on the justification. Just be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. For C, it only changes sign. Kids, you need to be, so for example, you can't just do a sign chart. You have to say, like, it changes sign. Sign charts alone will not be accepted. So you have to do the sign chart and then explain what it means. This is good, though. I like this. And then, yes, D says the average rate of change. You figure that out by finding the slope of the secant line. Just remember that you have to have an explanation as well. You have to have an explanation as well. Can't just give it. So just be careful with that. So this would be like 1 to 2 points. So this would be somewhere between 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This would be like 7 to 9 points in there somewhere. 7 to 9. Just be really, really careful. Be really, really. Let's score this and see how they did. Let's score this here. So I'm thinking you get the 1411. That is correct. Oh, you screen frozen. Sorry. Thank you. So there's 2 points right there. That's nice. So then you do have the second derivative right here, but then. So how do you know W is concave up, so the answer estimate is an underestimate. So you also have to state that W is going to be greater than 1400. So you need to show that it's always going to be positive, so therefore concave up. You might want to explain a little bit more right here, just a tiny bit more. But generally that's fine. It will be an underestimate, and that was 2 points right there. So then you did, I like this, the separation of variables. You find the constant. You end up with W is equal to, oh, look at that. Solve for W. Fantastic. And this is a nice, look at that. The last section is how many points? 5 points. You guys should crush these. You guys should crush these as you are doing right now. How the other group?